If you are completely new to WordPress and wondering where to start, this video is for you. Today, we'll cover everything beginners need to know about WordPress. WordPress is a website building platform that helps you create websites easily. But today it powers all kinds of websites including blogs, business websites, online stores, portfolio websites, news websites, membership platforms. In fact, WordPress powers a huge percentage of websites on the internet because it is flexible, beginner-friendly, and highly customizable. Now, beginners often get confused between WordPress.org and WordPress.com. So let's quickly clear that up. WordPress.org is the self-hosted version that gives you full control over your website. You can install custom themes, plugins, and fully customize your site. WordPress.com is a hosted platform with limited customization unless you upgrade to higher plans. For most beginners and businesses, WordPress.org is usually the better option. To create a WordPress website, you mainly need two things: a domain name. This is your website address, like yourwebsite.com. And web hosting, it is where your website files are stored online. Most hosting providers offer one-click WordPress installation, so setting up WordPress is very easy even for beginners. Once WordPress is installed, you'll get access to the WordPress dashboard. This is the main area where you manage your entire website. Here are some important sections beginners should know. Posts, used for blogs and articles. Pages, used for static pages like About Us or Contact. Appearance, where you customize your website's themes, menus, and overall design. Plugins. Plugins help you add extra features like SEO tools, security, backups, and e-commerce functionality. Themes control how your website looks, and plugins add functionality, but avoid installing too many plugins because it can slow down your website. Start with only the essential ones. WordPress may feel overwhelming at first, but learning the basics makes it much easier. And the good thing is, you don't need to be a developer to create a professional-looking website anymore. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more WordPress and WooCommerce tutorials.